It's really important for us to have the community's voice sort of threading through everything to do with the woodland. It's their space. We want to make sure it meets all of their needs and what they want to do with it in the future and how they're going to use it, especially because of the link to the COVID-19 pandemic that we all went through together.
We lost my dad April 15th, 2020.
Yeah. So it was very early on into the lockdown.
Because we were in full lockdown, no funeral. It was
10
just,
people, wasn't it?
It was horrible, wasn't it? We volunteered to plant trees and then later on with Laurel to paint the benches.
And it made us feel better, didn't it? Just coming here and planting a tree.
So it's nice to come here and see the woodland grow.
So this will be our place now.
Yeah.
We were involved with different artists in the space to create some artistic interventions that were led by the community, shaped by artists.
At first sight, seeing the benches, you might not associate them with something as emotionally challenging as grief, because they look playful and they look fun. And that was really important to me, that they were celebratory and not sad, but yeah, uplifting.
So my role in the project was to write the poem that you see along the woodland, and this process was developed through visiting the site and speaking to lots of the staff members and community members from around that area. It was myself as the poet, and there was Soup Studio, and there was also Rachel Jones. And through the process of our conversations, and it was really nice to kind of bounce ideas off each other. And so I kind of proposed, rather than the poem being on a sort of slab where people have to stand and read it, I suggested that the poem be a walking poem, so the poem be a part of the landscape and be a part of the trail itself. And there was just a really great collaboration with Soup Studio.
Great to see it completed. It was really special actually to come today and see all of these bricks that we saw in, being manufactured in the ground, and I think it's going to be really exciting to see it evolve.
And I think also it was really nice to see this is like a project we're just sort of a small part of it, and this combination of the people's work, so it feels like we also have had a little part to play in this much bigger project.
Dwi'n sgwennwr ac yn bardd, ond dwi hefyd yn gyfieithydd llenyddol, a dwi wedi gweithio rheolaidd efo Hanan yn ystod ei chyfnod hi fel bardd cenedlaethol. A dwi'n teimlo bod wedi cael gafael erbyn hyn ar beth sy'n neud i'w barddoniaeth i weithio. Ac ydy, mae'n arbennig iawn meddwl bod hwn yn ei le ac yn mynd i fod yn ei le am flynyddoedd maith hwn, felly.
And I think developing the woodland going forward, we can see how the site works, we can see what it means to people, and being able to use it as a really positive space for people to enjoy time outdoors, connect with nature, and it's going to be a beautiful space as it grows.